Hello, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to teach you how to create your own jewels like this. These crystals that you buy in craft stores. Sometimes you don't have the color you want or even one in the shape you need or color or whatever. I'm going to teach you how to create your own by using Glossy Accents. This is actually one of my favorite products. I use them all the time because they're great. Some people use it like glue. I don't. I know it's great glue too, but I just think it's too expensive to be used as glue. But it's actually used to give some dimension to your projects. And let me show you what I mean by that. So here I created this yesterday just so I could give you some examples. See, these are all created with the same technique I'm going to teach you today. These ones actually, these are sequins, but when you add some glossy accents, see, it gives it a little bit more shine and also some dimension. I don't know if it's easy to see, but I think you do see it. And yeah, here are the ones that I created for this tutorial, so you see. This one is a sequence too. And I just added some glossy accent there in the shape of a star. But you can actually do this in any shape you want. So what you do is I'm going to use my jelly roll pens. I love these pens, especially the metallic ones, which are the ones I'm going to use today just to show you this technique. So basically what to do, I'm just gonna make a heart. I love these jelly pens because they are so shiny, absolutely. Look how beautiful they are. I'm just gonna make maybe 2 or 3 just to give you an example. I'm just gonna make one that's round because that's the basic one that we use a lot. But you can use any markers you have. It doesn't have to be this one, okay? And I'm gonna get a blue one here. There you go. You have to wait a little bit until it dries, but let me show you what it looks like originally. See, they're beautiful. Look how much shine there is, and just look at the difference here, because when you look sideways, especially sideways, let me just move it a little bit so you don't lose. Yeah, there. See, they're flat. It's very different from the other ones. So what you do is, glossy accent is actually very easy to apply. Hi guys, I had to unclog my glossy accents because it was a little bit clogged. So here it is. So you have the shapes that you need. And that's my dog, sorry about that. And you just apply a very generous layer of glossy accent like that. See? This one should be fine. Let me just turn it around. I think it's easier to see. This one too. Just make sure that it doesn't go over the lines, that it's not bigger than what you drew, which I actually kind of did in this one here, but not so much. But you see the difference? It adds, and now you see it's not transparent like the other ones because it's not dry. So you just actually have to wait a few hours, and when it dries, it will be totally transparent and it will look perfect. So there you are. Now you can create your own jewels and crystals, whichever shape and color you need. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.